Tyler! Stop! Stop!
First of all, what is this intro?
Stop. Okay,
Second of all,
this is 7th grade, dude.
second of all, I need a video. That's what's going on here, bro.
This is 7th grade, alright?
Dude, no, this is great. No, I love it. No, keep it going. Keep it going. I'd love to see
You're gonna
more.
make me commit suicide.
Oh, we just got trolled. You got trolled?
We got trolled.
You got trolled? Oh.
I can't.
Yeah, no, you can't. I believe in you.
No.
I believe in you. I believe in you. I mean, it's only gonna go out to the public. I mean, it's already out on the public. It's on YouTube. I mean, what's the channel called again? Like Tubular or something? Like,
No.
you see that right there?
You don't get to do that.
No, it just showed up. Go back, pause the video, search. Oh.
Yeah, no.
And yeah, today we're playing
I hate myself.
Dude, no, I seriously do need to actually record a video.
Let's do it right now.
Let's just do stupid stuff.
Let's do it right
Just
now.
like this. First of all, watch your mouth. This is a kid-friendly channel.
Yeah.
So if you don't watch yourself, son, I'm gonna take that Cheeto dust off your fingers, rub them on your face, snap your neck, hold you up like Simba, and sing Katy Perry.
I mean, if you want it, you can have it here.
You want me to lick that Cheeto dust off your fingers?
No, that's gay.
Oh. Yeah, I was definitely thinking the exact same thing. I don't want to do that. That's not a good idea.
I am gonna try to get a better mic.
Give me them fingers, boy! Oh!
Dude, we gotta go out and do something, bro.
Yeah, this video's gonna be boring.
Yeah.
Let's go play basketball.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Home run.
No, that's a goal, you idiot. Jesus.
That's a hole in one. Are you stupid?
Oh, it's my bad. It's my bad.
So,
Alright, boys.
what are we doing?
We're playing golf.
I thought you said we were playing basketball.
No, this is golf.
This is golf now? Oh.
Good three-pointer.
Dude, are you kidding me? That was a freaking home run, dog.
Hey, Mike.
Oi, Mike.
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 Talking Steph, Mike.
Hey. Huh?
Yeah, Mike. Yeah.
Oh, get that ball. Get it. Get that ball. Yeah. Yeah, get that ball. Yeah.
Sorry. Should we run out in front of that truck? Hey, no, come back. We need views. Content. Come back.
Come back, Mike.
We'll include you on our 7-on-7 golf.
Why am I like this?
I don't know, but I think I have spinal cancer. Please don't hurt me.
My knees hurt so bad.
Dude, me too. Oh, geez. Half court. Holy crap.
Field goal.
Who's going to get that? You look like you just raped some kids. Got my self-esteem. I'm gonna go get it.
Oh, okay.
Here, hold this. I'm gonna go find it.
Okay.
It might take me a while, though.
Okay.
I'll be back, alright?
All right. Where's this dude? Why is he going so far? Dude. How far back did you lose it? Oh, what the heck? It's a, what? Where is it? Do you... Is it in there?
Nope, there's AT&T.
Oh. Maybe you never had one in general.
Yeah, I couldn't find it. Let's go. Did you know my receiver game is cold like a fridge?
Wait.
Fuck! Bro, you just booted that and it definitely hit the Look, you can see the imprint of the baseball.
Oh, hey.
Oh god. No, there's a car, no! Oh my god. He got hit by a car. Dude, he just got hit by a car.
I just got hit by a car.
Not you, the guy on the street. Oh. Dang it, let's redo that. Oh my god. Dude. Levi just got hit by a car. Bro, Levi just got hit by a car. What do you think about that?
Oh my god, that's insane. Dude.
Rip Levi. Won't be missed.
Yeah, he won't be missed.
Oh, that's sad because you're Levi.
Yeah.
Yeah, until it's on your nuts.
I mean, I'd be fine with that. Bork.
Well, yep, yeah, that's right. You better run.
What?
Hold up. No, wait. You know what we need?
What?
Bangs.
Yeah.
Let's go to the store right
Let's
now.
go to the store.
Right now. Let's go.
Mud right there.
What'd you say?
There's a bunch of mud right there.
Yeah, I can't hear you. I'll just come closer.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. I think this might have been a bad idea. Oh, no. I'm losing a shoe.
Oh God, I told you.
What'd you
There's
say?
a bunch of mud right there.
What'd you say?
There's a bunch of mud.
Damn it, Levi, I can't hear you. What'd you say again?
There's a bunch of mud right there.
Oh, yeah, there is. Why didn't you tell me that before? I just stepped in it, you idiot. God dang it, man. Look at this crap. It's your fault.
You're the
It's
one
your
that
fault.
couldn't hear me.
I got mud all over my Reeboks.
Oh God.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. Oh, wow. Holy crap. Most athletic person I've ever seen. Oh, wait, I gotta go get the golf club. I'll be right back. Wait, where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Right now, what are we getting?
Alright, we're gonna get some bangs. Oh, sorry. I just got some snow in my throat.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. A little snow in my throat. Oh. Loud skyscraper noises.
Ooh, he's stealing.
Huh?
You're stealing.
No.
Quit
I
stealing.
pay for my stuff, dude.
No, I paid for your stuff. The bat gets stuck. The what? The bat gets stuck.
No. You're actually kidding. Dude.